Hi, what's up guys, it's me Shan advisor here. In this video I will show you how you can convert your cryptocurrency from spot to P2P on the Binance. So all you have to do is that to make sure that you click on the right instruction in this video. This video is only for Binance users if someone is using the top exchange Binance. So I will go ahead and click on the transfer, and from there you can just transfer from P2P to the spot balance, okay, spot wallet. And now you will click on the swap button, then it will be like spot wallet to P2P. So I will select my currency, and then I will click on the amount, which is all, and 0.1105, and click on this one, and then you will be see the status transfer succeed. After this one you can go ahead and just click on that one, and then after this you will see on the P2P market you have bunch of options, cryptocurrencies. You're gonna sell, buy, whatever you like to do, that is on your behalf. And I just want to mention one thing here: if the cryptocurrency is allowed in your currency in your country, you are going to do it. Otherwise this video is not for you. And I wish you all the best and take care. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.